Yeah, we'll get one oven.
Well, I did. I was in the boat.
Thanks, Betsy!
I thought we've done that.
Can they count until you give them 6? It's 9 up on 10.
Oh, I had it. It's in the boat.
This competition was also used for the GPS sailing competition. I'm going to invite Nicole from the Greater Public Schools Association of Queensland up to announce that result. Congratulations to all teams participating in this series and the spirit of competition and standard of racing like here have been excellent throughout the series as well as today. And it's been pretty challenging weather conditions, so hopefully we'll get through this before it sets in. On behalf of the GPS Association, headmasters and the member schools, we'd like to say a very big thanks to the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron for your permission to allow us to support the GPS champion forum and particularly over the team racing series. We'd like to thank Judy, our pilot, and all the team at the Marine Sports Office. Fantastic race fitting and umpires and rescue team on the water, and the sailors who've donated their time and energy over the series today. The squadron as well provided the boats and the equipment, and I understand there's a boat maintenance man who does a particularly busy job over the series, so thank you for that person. And to the directors of sailing and the coaches, thank you so much for your support. And of course, mums and dads who make it all happen, and bring those who love without everything from sailing. Sailing might not have as long a history as some of the other GPS sports, but it's no less valuable than the GPS system. Please be assured of that. Indeed, we think it's quite unique in that it allows us to partner with the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron and for us to participate in a wider group of sailors. So this is our 11th annual GPS sailing competition, and the highest placed GPS school in the Royal Queensland Yacht Squadron is awarded the GPS champion school. So the final placements for this year are obviously the Grammar School in 3rd place, 2nd place, the Boys College, congratulations to the Church Grammar School April, that week after Easter, and we'll see you at the States.
Driver.